Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shasha. I am the owner of the shop called Light in the Mailbox at lightinthemailbox.com. And if you don't know me, I am sticker and stationery obsessed. And I make my own stickers for my shop, but that's not enough for me. I've got to buy some more stickers. So today I am unpackaging 2 sticky packs for the month of July 2021. We have the cute pack and the pop pack this month. They also have a vintage pack. I don't know if it's called vintage or retro. I think they recently changed the name. Each pack is $11 a month with free shipping in the US. And it's a little bit of a fee for outside of the US. I'm not sure how much though. Let's go ahead and open the pop pack first. All Stickii Club packs come in this little organizer. All right, so here's a first look at it. This month's theme, which we have here, is plants and nudes. Okay, so first thing I'm seeing here are these little notes. I don't know if they're sticky or just plain paper. Super cute. Not sticky, but very cute artwork. Okay. Next, we have a stamp. They've been sending stamps for the last few months in certain packs. They're very cute. Okay. And then in here, it looks like we have some large sticker flakes, kind of. I don't think they're vinyl. I think they're, maybe. All right, so, and the artist, it looks like, is Yan Candy NG. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but you can look them up on Instagram if you would like. And then here are the other two. Very cute. Okay, let's get into the sticker sheets. I'm just gonna stick those back in there. Put everything back in its place real quick. Okay, on the back side there's the big pockets with our sticker sheets. Now they do spoilers on their Instagram and in a newsletter, and I use that to kind of see which packs I want for the month, because you can change your pack, but they don't show you everything. So here's some like really creepy noodle bowls. Oh my gosh. Interesting. And the artist is Cells Dividing. And then it looks like these are kind of like little tabs that you can fold over for a notebook or your bullet journal. I love those. And they have a metallic accents on them, and they look fallish. I like that. Fall is my favorite, and I can't wait. Okay, next, plants and noodles. I love these. Okay, I was right. Yan Candy NG. Now that it's written out in separate words. Super cute. I'm totally gonna follow that artist. I really like this, and I think this one's my favorite so far. Okay, next we have by artist Naoshi, Naoshi. We have little cactus girls and noodle girls. Or ramen girls. Cute. Ooh. I love little houses and buildings, and those are so cute. Like, this is what I want my house to look like. I want it to have like this feel. And this one's by the artist UU_dream. That one's maybe a favorite too. Next, let me put something under it here so we can see better. Next, we have more little like ramen shops. Oh, they're so cute. And this one's by Nini Wanted. So cute. I love that one too. This is a good pack, you guys. Okay. And then this one is the artist Rebecca Terborg illustration. Sorry, I was trying to figure out exactly how to word that one. And we have some, oh, I love this little cat teapot. Really pretty girls eating ramen bowls and flowers. Okay, I love this one too. Okay, so that was the pop pack. So we got the 3 large stickers, the notepad, the stamp, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheets of stickers. It does kind of vary from month to month, but it's usually about the same amount of things. All right, I'm gonna set that one to the side and let's open up the cute pack. And it's been so long since I saw the spoilers, like I don't remember anything. I don't even remember the theme of what pack I ordered. So it's a surprise. Okay, looks like our theme is the kawaii life. Okay, that's gonna be cute. Start with our notepad. All right. I love this. This has been popular lately, the style with like things filled with liquid and little landscapes. This one is by the artist Fresh Boba Tay. Boba Tay? Not tea, but Tay. All right, so very cute. Not sticky, but nice little notepad. Stick it up here. For the stamp, if I can get it open. We have this cute little tiger holding up a sign with a star. This will be great for my classroom. I'm a first grade teacher and the kids always love it when I put little stamps or stickers on their work, so that will be great. And this one is by, I don't know how to pronounce her name, Elise Lee, I believe, if you can see that. Very cute. Okay, let's turn it over and get into the sticker sheets. And it looks like, other than sticker sheets, I'm gonna lay that to the side, looks like we have some little envelopes. And I think one of my packs came with these last month. They're little tiny envelopes. I don't think they're quite big enough for like a business card. I don't know, let me check. I think that was a problem last month, is that it wasn't quite big enough. Ooh, I don't know, maybe barely. Let's try it. Just gonna fold one up real quick here. It would be great if they were, because I'm always needing like a little envelope to carry around my business cards, but I just make them myself. Oh, nope. It is like so close. It's like 1 millimeter off and it would fit. Ah, too bad. But they're very cute. It'll be cute to put these in as like an extra for my pen pals or something. Okay. First sticker sheet is by the artist Jenny belly-buttons.com. And it's these cute little foxes with doing like little housework and chores. That is so cute. I'm always looking for stickers I can use in my bullet journal that I can put in for like cleaning and stuff like that. So those will be great. So cute. Ooh, this is the same artist who did this, and they match. Okay, so look at those. I love the colors and this art style. So pretty. All right. Next one is by the artist Pocket Peaches. Their Instagram is pocket.peaches. And it's all these little like cats and bunnies with stationery items, which is so my style. That's adorable. I'm going to say adorable a lot, I think, unboxing this one. Okay. Ooh, this one has like a texture to it. I don't think that you'll be able to see it on camera, but it has like a, or maybe that's printed. No, it's actually a texture. It's like a linen texture almost. So it looks like some baking animals and one girl with a cute little baked goods. Cute. Okay, the next one here is, let me slide it out of the way here because it's a clear set. So the first one say mail. Let me see if I can hold it closer. Mail, work, daily, notes, study, to-do, read, tasks, oops, and then sent. Okay, those will be very useful in my bullet journal. This one also has a clear background, and they're kind of glittery or holographic. It's by the artist, this artist again that I had trouble with, Elise Lee, I believe. I always collect these. If they have a sticker on their sheet, I always collect those so I can remember what artists were in the sticky packs. Very cute. I might save those for school. So, oh, it's the little guy from the stamp. And then the last one is a pushing set, and we've been having a lot of pushing stickers lately in the cute packs, I've noticed. And I feel like I already have this sheet. Do I? I don't know. But it is some household chores, cleaning, just things around the house. Super cute, and I will definitely use those. Oh my gosh, that one's funny. Cute. All right, so this one we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sticker sheets, a set of 3 tiny envelopes, and the cute notepad and stamp for our Kawaii Life pack. All right, so that was the cute pack unboxing for the month of July 2021. Which one did you guys like, or did you get the vintage / retro one for this month? If you did, if you did an unboxing, link your video down below so we can watch and see what you got in that one. All right, well, thanks for stopping by. I will see you next time. Bye.